Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to put date on the Instagram story. So before that we can easily put date on the Instagram story by using the stickers, but now this feature is not available on the Instagram. How you can put a date on the Instagram story? Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Instagram and open your Instagram stories. Once you will do it, you will see filters here. So you have to swipe to the left and you have to click on this browse effect filter. Once you will tap on it, and now go to the browse effect gallery, and from the right top you have to click on the search bar and you have to search for the date filter. Once you will do it, a different type of the date filter will appear here. You can select any according to the according to your choice. Let's suppose I select this filter, and now click on the try it and you can save it for the future use from here. Just click on the try it and you will see date is here and a day as well. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.